एवरीवन, आज हम इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं ऑल न्यू हीरो HF डिलक्स। ये बाइक न सिर्फ स्टाइलिश है बल्कि एक्सट्रीमली फ्यूल एफिशिएंट भी है।
Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today we're talking about the reliable and budget-friendly Hero HF Deluxe, a bike known for its simplicity, fuel efficiency, and everyday practicality. Engine and performance. The Hero HF Deluxe comes with a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. It delivers smooth and consistent performance, making it ideal for daily commuting. The engine is tuned for efficiency rather than speed, offering a comfortable ride in city traffic and on short highway runs. Mileage and efficiency. One of the biggest highlights of the Hero HF Deluxe is its excellent fuel economy. With Hero's i3S technology, idle stop-start system, the bike saves fuel by automatically switching off the engine during idle moments, making it one of the most economical bikes in its segment. Design and comfort. The design of the Hero HF Deluxe is simple yet practical. It features a long and comfortable seat, upright riding posture, and lightweight body, ensuring a stress-free riding experience even on longer daily routes. Features. The bike includes basic yet useful features like an analog instrument cluster, durable build quality, and tubeless tires in select variants. It focuses more on reliability and ease of maintenance rather than high-end technology. Price and value. The Hero HF Deluxe is priced very competitively, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. Its low maintenance cost and high fuel efficiency add to its overall value. Conclusion. If you're looking for a dependable, fuel-efficient, and affordable commuter bike, the Hero HF Deluxe is definitely worth considering. It's built for daily use and delivers exactly what most riders need: reliability and economy.